this is Tamali. Today I am going to show you an amazing face mask which can prevent pimples magically. But before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. So let's get started the video now. To prepare the mask, we need honey and cinnamon powder. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Honey and cinnamon have the ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, which are 2 factors that trigger acne. Mix it well and get this consistency. Now apply the mask on your acne and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. So guys, try this remedy at home and share the result with me. Thank you. Bye.